God is the only constant. Everything else is a variable. In the equation of life, there are infinite possibilities that fit into these variables. It is a narrow path that we must choose to lock ourselves in as a variable ourselves into the constant called Christ. He is reality. He created reality. Everything that has been made and formed has been created, maintained, and held together through Him. And so when we ask God the question, when? How? Why? Where? He answers, I am. And that's all we need to know. Anchor yourself to Christ, the constant.
Life is quantum. An ocean of infinite possibilities exists before us. Pictures of reality coming into full pixelation and then retreating and fading like waves of the sea, cresting and falling. When does potential become actual? When do promises become fulfillments? When does hope in heart turn into faith with substance? Another way I could ask this is, when does water become a substance that one can walk upon and not drown? The answer is when Jesus calls you to step out of the boat. Before His voice instructs us to take that step, the water is just water. But when we step out in faith, with the vibration of His voice beneath our feet, the liquid becomes solid. The potential for a miracle becomes an actual miracle. We have a choice in the matter. Where our eyes land matters. This is why we are told to set our face like flint and keep our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith. This is why we must keep our ears attuned to His voice. Strategy is always relational. I do not take the next step because I know exactly where I am going or how I am going to get there. I take the next step when the voice of my Lord creates a substance for me to stand upon, and it is formed beneath my feet in obedience, even as my foot realizes there is no solid ground to stand upon, and the natural eye observes only water and waves, but my spirit understands that faith creates substance. Faith is substance, and faith without works is dead. The substance of that faith is Jesus, and He is the living Word. His Word is therefore substance. The only place we can ever truly stand with certainty is on the living Word. Take every thought captive. Be mindful with the mind of Christ about what you speak. Words that do not align with the Word tear down. Scripture says a woman can tear down her house with her words. But words spoken in faith are first supernaturally discerned. They are first heard.